So hi all, welcome to our YouTube channel Data Mahadev. We also have a website with the same name datamahadev.com. So as you can see, datamahadev.com, just go to any tab: artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, Python. You will find videos related to AI, ML, NLP, Python, etc., etc. I'm sorry, articles related to AI, ML, data science, NLP, Python, etc., etc. So this is what it is, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Just search Data Mahadev, and you can see our YouTube channel. So this is our YouTube channel, and thanks a lot for an overwhelming response within in the past 1 month. It's basically uh, it has been 1 month since our YouTube channel came into existence. So within 1 month, we have reached around 301 subscribers. So thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot to all of you for giving showing us a good amount of love, and of course, watching our videos with keen interest. So this is what it is. Thanks a lot, everyone. So keep watching, keep learning. Learning should be consistent. Remember that, and rest all will follow, whether it is a basically joining a big tech company, getting a big pay package. Keep all of it aside, just focus on your learning should be consistent. So this is what it is. All right. So we have discussed about what we have discussed about in our playlist of data structures. We have discussed about just a second. We have discussed about lists in Python for beginners. Ignore this video. We have just a second. All right. We have discussed about lists in Python for beginners, Python tutorial for beginners, Python list comprehensions, uh, Python list comprehensions part 2. So we have discussed till here. So this is our lists part. We have uploaded 6 videos of lists. So this is what it is, all right. Now what we'll be dealing with is we'll be dealing with dictionaries. The next in data structures with Python is our dictionaries. So this is what it is. Let's close this tab. Let's quickly open Anaconda Navigator and start working on what? Start working on dictionaries. All right, our Anaconda Navigator will open up and we launch Jupyter Notebooks. Those who are basically who have followed our tutorial since lists will know why we are launching Jupyter Notebook. If you want to know why we are launching Jupyter Notebook, start from the playlist, the number one video of the data structure playlist of Data Mahadev. So this is what it is. We'll launch Jupyter Notebook. A kernel will open up, and Jupyter Notebook will open up in our default browser. Next, what we'll do is that we'll open this new file, click on Python 3 kernel, and rename this file as dictionary functions. Dictionary functions. So this is what it is. So this is what it is. Now we'll start with dictionary without wasting any further time. We'll start with dictionary. So let's begin. So we have a variable a. Equal to is what? Our assignment operator. And in the previous data structure of lists, we saw that anything enclosed within the square brackets, be it a string, be it an integer, is termed as what? Is termed as list. All right. So this is what it is. To know whether it is a is a list or not, we use this type. All right, type command to know whether it is a list or not. So this is what it is. All right. Next, we used to do what? We used to enclose within the square bracket. We used to write, let's say, integers or float, or let's say string good morning. So this is what it is. It will always show us as a list. So this is what list was. If you want to learn list, start with video number 1 of our complete data structures in Python playlist. So this is what it is. So moving further ahead, talking about dictionaries. So dictionaries are what? Dictionaries are a set of, let me write the definition over here. Dictionaries, or let me create a markdown, or let me just create a comment only, that will be fine. Dictionaries are a set of what? Dictionaries are a set of key value pairs. keys values pair. So this is what it is. And which are collectively called as items. Key value pairs are collectively called as what? Items. So let us look at what is key. Let us look at what is value. So this is what it is. Let us have a look at it. And dictionaries are enclosed in dictionaries. Dictionaries are enclosed curly brackets, within curly braces or brackets, which are this. All right, let me write it in the next point. All right, let me write it in the next point. So this dictionaries are enclosed within curly braces. That is this curly brackets. All right. Now let us create a curly bracket, है ना? And leave it empty. This is our what? This is our empty dictionary. This is our empty dictionary. And when we basically use this command or statement as type and enclosed in parentheses, we write a, which is the name of our dictionary, variable of our dictionary. So it will show us as what? It will show us, if it is a dictionary, it will show us as dict, dict. That means the above thing is what? The above variable a is a dictionary. As I said, dictionary is enclosed within curly braces or represented as curly braces. So this enclosed within or represented in curly braces or brackets. So this is what it is. All right. Now let us create another variable. Let us start creating dictionary, that is keys and values for dictionary. So 1:1 comma 2:4 comma 3:9 comma 4:16 comma 5:25. All right. So this is what it is. Let us print this dictionary. All right. Now let us discuss what are keys and what are values. All right. So the one that are on the left side, the elements that are on the left side of the colon, that is two. Let's take 2:4 for example. Now on the left side of the colon is what? On the left side of the colon is your 2. On the right side of the colon is what? On the right side of the colon is your 4. So the left side of the colon represents keys, and the right side of the colon represents values. Let me repeat it once again. The left side of the colon represents what? Represents keys, and the right side of the colon represents what? It represents values. So this is what it is. So how will we check that whether it represents keys or values? I am saying that it represents, the left side of the colon represents keys, the right side of the colon represents values. But how will we check that? We'll check that using a dot keys. A is what? The name of our dictionary, and keys is the function of the dictionary to check whether to check basically to extract out the keys from a dictionary. All right. So as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 is what is our keys. To check values we use a dot values. So this is what it is. 1 4, as I said, on the right side of the colon is what? Our values. Left side on the colon is what? Keys. So this is what now. The definition, our definition also says key value pair collectively called as items. So how to extract out items? That means 1 1, this 1 1 is what? One item. 2 4 is what? One, the second item. So this is what it is. Another item of dictionary. So we'll write a dot items, and it will extract what? It will extract the items of the dictionary, which is 1 1 2 4. All right. 3 9 3:9 3:9. So this is what it is. All right. Any doubts, please feel free to ask in the comments box, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So this is what it is. All right. Moving ahead further, moving ahead, basically accessing caps lock got on. Accessing keys in a dictionary or values in a dictionary using keys. So how will we do that? So a in square brackets, right, 1, it will give us what? I have a square brackets, within square brackets I have written what? I have written a value of a key. I have written a key a1, and it has given me what? It has given me a value. All right. So let us check for 2. It will give us what? It will give us 4. 2 is a key and 4 is what? Our value. So as you can see, it is giving us 4. Let us check for 5. It is giving me what? It is giving me 25. So this is how we access values in a dictionary using keys. All right. So this is what it is. All right. Moving ahead further. Moving ahead further. How else do we basically access values? We use the get function. We use the dot get function. The dot get function. So a dot get, write the key, let's say 5, it will give you value. A dot get, write the key 3, it will give you value 9. Why? Because 3 is a 3 key is aligned with value 9. So this is what it is. All right. All right. So this is how we basically do what? This is how we basically access values in a dictionary using key. Now comes the part how to replace values using keys. How to replace values using key. Let's have a look at the replacing values using keys. Remember this hash is what? This hash, whatever I'm writing in hash is what? These are what? Comments in Python. They are non-readable code. They have no significance with respect to your code in Python. So this is what it is. All right. So replacing values using keys. All right. So a dot keys. I'm sorry. So a, let's say we want to change. Let's print our dictionary over here. Print of our dictionary over here in this cell, so that we don't have to scroll up quite often. All right, so we have printed the dictionary over here. So let's say we want to replace 5 with 125. All right, want to replace 5 with 125. What we'll do is that we'll write a of 5. A of 5 is what? A of 5 is 25. Now what we want to do is that we want to replace the value 25 with 125. So what we'll do is that a of 5 is equal to 125. That's it. Print our updated dictionary a. So as you can see, the value has been updated from 20. The value has been updated from 25 to 125. The key of 5, the value of key 5 has been updated. Similarly, we want to update, let's say 1. 1 will be 1. We want to update every other key with the cube, है ना? Every other key with the cube of its value, right? So this is what it is. So print the next dictionary. As you can see, from 4 it has been updated to 8. Let us update 3 and 4. All right. So this is what it is. Print the fresh dictionary. As you can see, every other element has been converted to what? Every other element has been converted to, every other key has been converted to its cube in the value. So this is what it is. All right. And we can check its type. It will show it as what? It will show it as dict. To check the length of the item of the dictionary, so it shows us was what? Count of the number of items in a dictionary. So this is what it is. Count of the number of items in a dictionary. All right. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. You can ask in the comments box. So this is what it is. All right. So dictionary is very important, but yeah, dictionary has certain limitations. But more important than dictionary is lists. Remember, lists always 2 or 4 questions are always asked about lists in the interviews related to Python. All right, so this is what it is. So be serious when it comes to a dictionary. All right, so let us proceed further. All right, let us proceed further with dictionaries. So this is what a dictionary is. We let us take a different dictionary. Let us take my underscore dict. All right. So till now we were dealing with what? Till now we were dealing with integers in a dictionary. All right, and now we'll do what? Now we'll basically deal with let's say strings in a dictionary. All right, we can have a strings as values, we can have strings as keys in a dictionary as well. So let us have a look at it. Let us have a look at let's say age is equal to let's say 27. All right, let us has a name as Sherlock. All right, so this is what name as Sherlock. Let us print this dictionary. So it is showing as what? Age as 27, name as Sherlock. Let us have a look at its keys. So the keys have been shown as age and name. Always remember once again that on the left side of the colon is your key, on the right side of the colon is your value. All right, let us have a look at its values. 27 and Sherlock. Let us print its items. So this is what it is. All right. Now let us see how do we update items in a dictionary. Items in a dictionary. All right. So let's say the requirement, we have the age and name of a person. We also want to know the address of a person also. The requirement is to know the address of a person as well. So how will we do that? We'll simply write A in square brackets, write address as key. So it will do what? Once we have updated the value of that particular of this key address, है ना? It, and when we print the updated dictionary, it will automatically do what? It will automatically create address as key, and whatever value we'll write, 221 B Baker Street. All right. So it has updated address as a key and 221 B Baker Street as value in our updated dictionary. Let's print the updated dictionary and have a look at it. Okay, I forgot to I basically added it in the above dictionary, the A dictionary. I had to update it in my dic. No worries. Let's just copy this. The we have to update in my underscore dict dictionary. All right. Let's just copy this and write my underscore dict. So this will print the updated dictionary. So this is what it is. As you can see, age, name, address has been added up. All right. If we want to, let's say, remove, so how we'll remove? We'll simply write a dot pop. So it is showing what? It is showing an error. In list, it did not show an error. So what it says, expects at least one argument. So what we need to write? We need to write the key, and then it will do what? It will remove. So this is how we remove elements, removing elements in a dictionary. We need to mention the key. The syntax is dot pop key. All right, write the key, whether it is a number, whether it is a string. So if it is a string, write it in inverted quotes. If it is not a string, it is a number, simply write a number and it will get the key and it will remove. So let's print the updated dictionary. So it has removed address. Let us remove my underscore dict also, dot pop. All right, address. So let us print my underscore dict. As you can see, from my underscore dict also address has been removed. Now let us add it once again. Let us keep address as capital. Let us keep address as capital. All right. Then write 221 B Baker's Street. All right. Now let us print it. So it will show what? It will show us address. So whatever we basically do whatever we write in dictionary, whatever we update value dictionary using this method, it will add to the next basically to the last position of the dictionary, to the last position of the item of the dictionary. So this is what it is. All right. So whatever we update, it will add up to the last position of the dictionary. So this is what it is. I hope you all are understanding. If any doubts you all have, please feel free to ask in the comments box. So this is what it is. All right. So this is how we add elements. Let us add a few more elements in the dictionary. I wrote this address as capital to be more presentable, to for our dictionary to look more presentable. So this is what it is. All right. So moving ahead further, let's add a few more. Let's few more keys and values, a few more items. So my underscore dict occupation, let's say the data scientist. My underscore dict print it out. So as you can see, occupation has been updated. All right. So now let us replace a few values. Let us replace a few values. We got to learn that he's actually not a data scientist, but he's actually a detective. Detective. All right. So print. So now the occupation is showing as detective. All right. And we got to know that he's not a detective, but he's an intelligence agent. So let us or a secret agent. Secret agent. So let us update it once again. And his name is also not Sherlock. His name is James Bond. His name is also not Sherlock. His name is James Bond. Let us print the updated dictionary. So the name has been updated to James Bond. James Bond lives in India. So let us up. Hello. All right. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. The AirPods got connected automatically. All right. All right. Let's. So yeah, we got to know that he lived in India. James Bond lived in India. Remember, the spelling should be correct. James Bond lived in India. So we'll write India. Let's write uh, India. All right. So my underscore dict. The address is changed to India. All right. So this is what it is. And yesterday was his birthday. So let's update our data. So it was his birthday. He grew a year older. So let us print my underscore dict. As you can see, it is showing as what? It is showing as 28. So this is how we update, replace certain values with the help of keys. So this is what it is. It is very important. Always remember that it is very important. And how we remove data from dictionary? We remove data using dot pop and followed by the key name. So this is what it is. Another technique to remove data is to basically write the pop item function of dictionary. Now what the pop item does is that basically pop item removes the an element randomly in a dictionary. Removes an element randomly in a dictionary. Removes an element randomly in a dictionary. So let us have a look at pop item. Let us take my underscore dict dot pop item. All right. Let us have a look at my underscore dict dot pop item. So as you can see, it is remove occupation. Let us have a look at dot pop item. So as you can see, it is remove address. So let us print the dictionary. You can see again we are back to agent name. So this is how we remove an element from the dictionary randomly. So this is what it is. All right. Any doubts, please feel free to ask in the comments box. All right. So this is what it is, and we can also do what we can also copy a dictionary into another dictionary. My underscore dict or let's say a1 is equal to my underscore dict dot copy. So it will do what? There was a copy function in list as well. So it is very similar, same as the copy function in dictionary as well. It does what? Copies one dictionary into another dictionary. That's it. All the items of the dictionary into another variable or a dictionary. So this is what is. Then there is your clear function. Again, very similar to the clear function in list. Very similar to the clear function in list. So this is what it is. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry, there is a technical issue. Hello, am I audible? Hello, hello. Yeah, correct. The headphone problem. Once again, sorry for the inconvenience caused. All right. So this is what is. Let's have a look at clear function. So let's clear the dictionary my underscore dict dot clear. All right. So let us check for my underscore dict. It is showing it as what? Empty dictionary. All the items of the dictionary have been cleared. All right. Now we want to remove the dictionary from scratch from the root level. We'll use the del command. Now, if we basically try to print this dictionary, what it will show is that it will throw an error that my underscore dict is not defined. So this is what it is. This is how we clear. This is how we copy. This is how we delete a dictionary entirely. So this is what it is. All right. So Uh, these are a set of a basic dictionary functions. In the next topic, we'll also look at a bit more dictionary functions and talk about dictionary comprehensions. In the meanwhile, keep viewing our channel. If you want to learn Python, AI, ML, AI/ML related videos will also be uploaded. Artificial intelligence, machine learning related videos will also be uploaded in the near future. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep subscribing. The more and more people remember, if you share, then you will gain more knowledge. There's a saying in Hindi, in our Hindi, कि ज्ञान बांटने से बढ़ता है. So this is what it is, all right. Happy learning all.